Hi guys, Zach with Proline range hoods here again today, and we're going to be unboxing our PLJL insert range hood. We're going to take everything out of the box that comes inside and prep it for installation so that you can follow along. Now inside of the box, we're obviously going to have the range hood itself. Inside of that range hood is going to be our stainless steel baffle filters, as well as the hardware and manual that you guys will receive inside of the box. Now, the stainless steel baffle filters will come inside of the range hood, not already installed. We will need to kind of put it together ourselves. The handles are very easy. You just screw them in and then we'll be able to install those separately. So we'll get everything taken off the table and take a look at the range hood first. So now that we can just take a look at the range hood itself, we're looking today at the 40-inch model. Now it does come in 28 all the way up to 46 inches. It's completely up to you guys in your home and whatever you need, but we are looking at a single blower here today that's 600 CFM in power. Now you guys can also choose a dual blower setup, and that's gonna go all the way up to 1200 CFM. There's also a couple different depth options, 15 inches, 18, as well as 21 inches. So while you guys are shopping around, you're completely able to customize it to whatever you need that's best for you. But today, again, we're just looking at the 40 inches with a single 600 CFM blower. So now that we've had a look at the range hood, we're going to bring back up our stainless steel baffle filters. Now again, these handles need to be installed separately by you guys. It's very easy. You just screw in the handle to the baffle filter itself. And installing the baffle filter is also very easy. So on this model, we just have 3 of them. If you guys come up first into the slot that it's made for, you can just go right back down and drop it into place and install all 3 of those. Now our baffle filters are great. They're easy to clean and easy to maintain. They're dishwasher safe, so it's gonna be a breeze having them in your range hood. Now taking a look at the front of the range hood, we're gonna have our 2 LED lights. These are great in low light environments if you're cooking in a dark space. They last a lifetime and are easy to remove if you ever need to. We also have our stainless steel button control panel here where you can control anything on the range hood. We can turn it on and off. We can turn the lights on that we just talked about on and off, and also control the 4-speed blower inside of the range hood, whether it's the highest and most powerful setting all the way down to the lowest and most quiet. So there you guys have it. That's our PLJL insert range hood, one of our most popular models. Nice, easy video for you guys today. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact our customer support team and check out our website at prolinerangehoods.com for our full catalog of range hoods.